The next thing that we're going to do is move along to removing all of our lug nuts and then the wheel. Alright, now that the wheel's out of the way, we have a nice clear view of our front sway bar link. Let's start at the top and remove this mounting nut. Now we can go ahead and remove our ABS wire bracket. Be careful with this. You want to make sure that you don't put a tug or damage it in any way. The next thing that we're going to do is remove our sway bar link from the strut. Let's use a pry bar, come right along the top of the sway bar itself, inside of the subframe right there, and we're going to gently pry down on the sway bar so it gives us slack to remove the sway bar link from the strut. Let's remove our lower nut. Okay, now we can grab onto that. There it is, friends. Okay, now it's time to install our brand new front sway bar link. I'm just going to start it in along the bottom here. Now we can take that nut, we'll start it on there. Now let's start in the top as well. Put on your bracket, install your new nut. Bottom out the nuts and then torque them to 37 foot-pounds. Now we can get the wheel back up on here, we'll snug it up, get the wheel back on the ground, and then we'll torque it to manufacturer's specifications. With the wheel on the ground, let's torque these to 81 foot-pounds. Torqued. Okay friends, we got the sway bar link in there. What's left to do now? Now you're going to do the exact same thing to the other side of the vehicle. When you do these, you do them as a pair. Aside from that, take it for a road test, make sure you don't hear any funny noises.